In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04e, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching voice recorder app and tapping on while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. Then use red button to start recording. Hit allow in another pop-up, and as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the middle button. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it, and tap on play button on the left. To add a bookmark, click on bookmark icon here. And to end and save your recording, click on this square on the right. Then name it and hit save. Now to play it, click on it. And to manage it, click on it as well, but this time use all of those options. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and operate all of those as well. If you want to get rid of it fast, you can hold it, hit delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!